Hello, and welcome to our video on how every single business can use ChatGPT to increase marketing reach and lower costs. If you're looking to improve your online marketing efforts, then ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for you. Before we get to that, as a thank you for watching this video, I'm giving you a few ChatGPT resources completely free in the description. They have more in-depth information and don't require an email or even for you to download it in order to get access. ChatGPT has the ability to assist businesses with a wide range of tasks, including email marketing, blog content writing, copywriting, ad copy, and social media content. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. In this video, we'll explore how you can leverage ChatGPT to enhance your marketing strategy, and we'll provide you with examples of how it works. Any one of these has the ability to increase sales for a business 300 to 500%. So watch the entire video because you never know which one will resonate the most with you. Let's start with email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful way to stay in touch with customers and keep them engaged with your brand. With ChatGPT, you can create compelling email content quickly and easily. Simply provide the model with some information about your brand, your target audience, and your marketing goals, and it can generate personalized email content that resonates with your subscribers. ChatGPT can help you save time and effort by providing you with high-quality content that is tailored to your audience. For instance, you can provide ChatGPT with information about your audience's interests, and it can create personalized emails that are relevant to their preferences. This way, you can improve your email open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, drive conversions. Moving on to blog content writing, creating quality content is essential for building a strong online presence. However, it can be time-consuming and challenging to come up with new and engaging topics regularly. With ChatGPT, businesses can generate fresh, engaging content on a regular basis. By providing the model with some topic ideas and keywords, it can generate high-quality blog posts that capture your brand's voice and style. ChatGPT can help you create blog content that is not only engaging but also optimized for search engines. For instance, you can provide ChatGPT with some keywords that you want to rank for, and it can generate blog content that incorporates those keywords naturally. Next is copywriting. Effective copywriting is key to capturing the attention of potential customers and driving conversions. With ChatGPT, businesses can create persuasive copy that resonates with their target audience. By providing the model with some information about your brand and your marketing goals, it can generate compelling copy for ads, product descriptions, landing pages, and more. ChatGPT can help you create copy that is not only persuasive, but also easy to read and understand. For instance, you can provide ChatGPT with information about your target audience's pain points, and it can create copy that addresses those pain points and provides solutions. Next is ad copy. Crafting effective ad copy is crucial for reaching your target audience and driving conversions. With ChatGPT, businesses can create highly targeted ad copy that speaks directly to their ideal customer. By providing the model with some information about your brand, your target audience, and your marketing goals, it can generate ad copy that is both compelling and highly relevant. ChatGPT can help you create ad copy that stands out from the competition and drives clicks. For instance, you can provide ChatGPT with information about your unique selling proposition, USP, and it can create ad copy that highlights your USP and persuades potential customers to choose your brand. Finally, social media content is a powerful tool for building brand awareness and engaging with customers. ChatGPT can assist businesses with social media content creation, helping them to generate posts that capture their brand's voice and style. By providing the model with some topic ideas and keywords, it can generate social media content that is both engaging and shareable. ChatGPT can help you create social media content that is not only visually appealing, but also informative and valuable to your audience. To get more great videos on how you can make money online and scale your digital empire, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to check out the free ebooks in the description.